looking for a pancake? Because we made a pancake and I'm pretty sure that it can fulfill your cravings. We have a chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and honey flavors. We used an ingredients that you will not be disappointed. Maybe some of us are not familiar or it's a far cry from ordinary pancake, but we are hoping at least to try to taste our pancake. To market strategies of our product is leveraging social media. Marketing for your pancake business is an effective way to reach a larger audience and create meaningful connection with potential customers. By creating content that is both engaging and informative and can build brand awareness, drive website traffic, and foster loyalty customer. Additionally, you can use social media platforms to promote special offers, new menu items, customer reviews, and more by actively engaging your followers. Post our product online so it's easy to find and to grab because some of us today are using technology and some of them spending their time so they can see our product and it's easy to order. About the transaction, it's either cash on delivery or through GCash. We can promote our product by a cheaper price with discount. If they will buy 4 pancakes, they will less 10 pesos. And if they buy 10 pancakes, they can get 1. Ito po pala yung isa po sa mga nagawa po naming produkto, which is ang flavor po nito ng pancake na ito ay strawberry. Ang bawat isa po ng strawberry pancake namin ay nagkakahalaga lang po ng 20 pesos. At ito naman po ang aming chocolate flavor.
20 din.
At ito po ay nagkakahalaga lang din po ng 20 pesos.
Parang mura.
Pancake lang yun. At ito naman po ang aming vanilla na nagkakahalaga naman po ng 20 pesos din po per each. Thank you.
Product characteristics. Characteristics of our product is unique to the other pancakes product because our product is different to other pancake that you use. If the pancakes for other vendors only have one flavor, mine is a lot of toppings or flavors to choose. These are new pancakes. My product, the unique of this product is budget friendly, but surely you won't be disappointed because the ingredients are not offensive and the mixture is just right. This product will promise that you will not get tired of coming back and testing it because of its quality, strangely delicious and made with love. Pricing policy. Chocolate, 20 pesos. Strawberry, 20 pesos. Honey, 15 pesos. Vanilla, 20 pesos. Plain milk, 15 pesos.